When it comes to heavy machinery, there's a part that doesn't get nearly the recognition it deserves: the fuel injection pump. Specifically, the 375-5246 fuel injection pump, also listed as 3,755,246, is designed for the Caterpillar C9.3 engine. While it might not be something you think about daily, this component is critical for keeping massive excavators, loaders, and forestry machines running efficiently. This fuel injection pump is compatible with Caterpillar C9.3 engines found in 336E and 336F excavators, 568FM forestry machines, and even D6T and D7E loaders. Its job is straightforward in concept but complex in execution. It delivers the precise amount of fuel into each cylinder at exactly the right moment. Without a properly functioning pump, machines can struggle to start, underperform, or even experience engine damage. Heavy-duty equipment relies on consistency and precision, and that's exactly what the 375-5246 provides. Caterpillar designed it to withstand extreme operating conditions, from freezing temperatures to dusty construction sites and high-humidity forestry operations. Every component, from seals to plungers, is manufactured to endure high pressure and continuous operation without compromising performance. Over time, fuel injection pumps can degrade. Worn components lead to inefficient fuel delivery, reduced engine power, increased fuel consumption, and difficulty starting the engine. These issues aren't just inconvenient, they can lead to costly downtime. For operators, even a few hours of inactivity can translate to significant financial losses, which is why investing in a reliable, compatible fuel injection pump is essential. The 375-5246 fuel injection pump is engineered to meet the rigorous demands of Caterpillar engines. Its precise calibration ensures that fuel is delivered efficiently and consistently, helping maintain engine performance and longevity. Using a high-quality, compatible replacement ensures that the engine operates as designed, protecting both the machine and the investment. In heavy machinery, downtime is the enemy. Machines like the 336E excavator or D7E loader need to operate reliably every day. A failing injection pump can cause rough idling, loss of power, and increased smoke emissions. In worst-case scenarios, it can damage engine components due to improper fuel delivery. That's why proactive replacement with a genuine or compatible unit is crucial. Caterpillar engines are designed for thousands of hours of operation, but their fuel injection pumps handle extreme conditions continuously. The 375-5246 pump is built to match the engine's needs, with pressure-tested components designed for durability and high performance. This means fewer repairs, less downtime, and more reliability in critical applications. Efficiency is another key factor. Engines like the C9.3 are designed for optimal fuel consumption and emissions compliance. A properly functioning injection pump helps maintain both. By delivering fuel accurately, it reduces wasted fuel and minimizes unnecessary emissions, ensuring both cost savings and environmental responsibility. Signs that a fuel injection pump may need replacement include reduced fuel efficiency, difficulty starting, rough engine operation, and loss of power. Replacing the old pump with a high-quality 375-5246 unit restores performance to factory specifications, improving engine operation and reliability. It's also important to consider quality. Cheaper, non-genuine pumps might save money upfront, but improper fuel delivery can harm engine performance and cause damage. The 375-5246 is built with precision to meet Caterpillar standards, ensuring correct timing, pressure, and fuel delivery for consistent performance. Caterpillar machines are used in some of the harshest conditions imaginable. From construction sites to forestry operations, they need parts that can keep up. The 375-5246 fuel injection pump is designed to thrive under these circumstances, ensuring equipment remains operational and efficient. Downtime isn't just an inconvenience, it's costly. Machines idle, projects are delayed, and revenue is lost. Investing in a reliable fuel injection pump is not only about maintaining performance, it's about protecting business operations. A properly functioning pump ensures equipment runs efficiently, reduces fuel costs, and maximizes productivity. Maintenance is an